Imagine being able to better your credit or be on the journey of bettering your credit. And as you're bettering your credit, you're making money. Extra money outside of the money that you may already be making. What up? You got Mr. Smith, 4-5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. And in this video, I want to talk to you about a queen by the name of Felicia who was able to do just that. She got on the journey of bettering her credit, but because she understood that there were countless other people who also wanted to better their credit, she just shared what it was that she was doing. So because she shared what she was doing, other people raised their hands, said they wanted more information, wanted access to what she was doing. She shared it with them, and as a result, it turned into her making good money, and she's still making good money to this very day. That being said, the Queen of Felicia said, listen, another my econ deposit posted into my back office. $522 will hit my bank tomorrow like every Friday. Can't believe I made $3,300 in the month of September from repairing my credit and teaching others how to do the same. So she's on the journey of repairing her credit, and she's just sharing it with others what she's doing. She said, this is extra income for me. I've only been with my econ for 1 month. This has been a true blessing. I'm no one special. I'm just a single mom. Why is that important? Because she's saying, look, I'm just a single mom. I'm no one special. The thing is that she did that was special was that she didn't mind sharing her journey. She didn't mind putting it out there that she isn't where she wants to be credit-wise, so she's working on her credit. So the fact that she put it out there and she was transparent in the sense of letting me know, look, yeah, I got to work on my credit. Other people were comfortable enough to say, you know what, I want to join you on that journey. And she was doing it herself using our system, which is powered by my econ, but it's the My Credit system. And if you want access to that same exact system she used, the link will be available below and you can get access to it. Get started about 3 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. And then you can get on track to bettering your credit, increasing your cash flow, making money from home if you so choose. Now, I will say this. The making money side is optional. What do I mean? That means that you can get access to our system. It's a membership. You can get access to the membership. And getting access to the membership positions you to better your credit because we got a whole DIY system, includes letters, tutorials, etc., on how you can better your credit. And I may pull it up. You can get access to that system that also shows you how to get out of debt, teaches you investment terminology, teaches you how to keep good records, how to budget, how to get tax deductions, and how to make money if you choose to do so, all from that one system. So the making money aspect is optional. It's just at this day and age, it makes sense to have other streams of cash flow. And it just makes more sense when it's tied into something that you're already doing or something that you want to do for yourself anyway. So if credit is a goal of yours, then why not be making money as you're making your credit scenario better? So that being said, that's what Felicia was able to do. Made $3K in 1 month just by sharing the information or sharing her journey with other people. Other people said they wanted in or wanted to know more. She shared it. They took action, and now they're getting results as well. So that's the power in this. That's the power in the ability to be able to do for self, but at the same time help someone else. It's the gift that keeps on giving, and as a result, $3K in 1 month, all because of that right there. So if that's not powerful, I don't know what is. I'm not going to share the system right now. I decided not to because I want to shoot another video, but I do want you to go ahead and get access to it. Right now, we're currently running a special. This system could very easily cost $300, $500, $1,000, but it doesn't. It doesn't even cost $100. And it's a membership, so it is a monthly cost associated with it. However, you don't think about the cost, you think about the return on the investment that you get. If you take your credit score to the next level, now that affords you or opens up the opportunity to be able to qualify for hundreds of thousands of dollars in capital. So if it's less than $100 to get access to it, then it only made sense. It's a return on the investment, not the cost. If you were able to make $3,000 like she was, or even $300 a month, whatever the case may be, how much did it cost you? Nothing, but because it pays for itself. And I'm not even telling you the part about how people who have a job find themselves bringing in an extra $200 to $800 on a monthly basis, just on average. So it doesn't cost you a dime if you take action and you apply what it is that we do in the system, so the system can guide you towards better credit, more cash flow, and making money if that's something you choose to do. That being said, that's all I got, Mr. Smith. Signing out. Salute. Click the link so you can get started. It takes about 3 minutes. I know I said it, but I wanted to end with that. Salute.